In this video, I will be showing you how to clear the download history in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First thing, just click on the three dots and here you will be having downloads. Click it and this will basically show all the things that has been downloaded. If you have very few downloads, you can simply close it like this. And also to the top we are having clear all. So if you click this also, all the downloads will be getting erased. In case if you want to erase for a specific time period, click on these three dots, go to delete browsing data, and here we will be having the time range, right? Okay, last 7 days, 15 minutes, 24 hours. Basically you can just uncheck all these and here we will be having download history alone. So you can simply click this and click on delete from device. So this will basically delete the download history alone. So as you can see, download history is none. If you go here also, it is none. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.